प्रियछात्राः नमस्ते। सर्वे कुशलिनः इति चिन्तयामि। सर्वे उत्तमरीत्या अध्ययनं कुर्वन्तः सन्ति इति चिन्तयामि। किमर्थम् इत्युक्ते भवन्तः सर्वे विद्यार्थिजीवने यापयन्तः सन्ति। Now you have golden opportunity to study because you are facing your student life. You have to study now, isn't it? यदा वयं भाषा इति चिन्तयामः, अस्माकं मातृभाषा इति चिन्तयामः, तत्र किं भवति? तदा वयं गृहे अन्य सदस्याः यदा सम्भाषणं करोति तत् दृष्ट्वा सम्भाषणं कुर्मः. Yes, childhood days, our relatives, parents, how they are speaking, we are observing that and we are speaking without studying any grammar points, isn't it? तथैव संस्कृतभाषायामपि कर्तुं शक्यते, परन्तु तादृश अवकाशः नास्ति. We are not getting like that opportunity. अस्तु, तदर्थं वयं किञ्चित् साम्प्रदायिकरीत्या ट्रेडिशनल् वयं संस्कृतभाषायाः अध्ययनं कुर्मः. कथं? व्याकरण आधारेण संस्कृतस्य वयम् अभ्यासं कुर्मः. यदा व्याकरणमिति चिन्तयामः, गतमासे वयं समाप्तं कृतवन्तः सन्धिविषयः. सन्धिविषये वयं दृष्टवन्तः प्रथमपदस्य अन्तिमाक्षरम् अनन्तरं द्वितीयपदस्य प्रथमाक्षरस्य योजनं, तत्र परिवर्तनं. Two letters are added and some changes going to occur at place. तथैव अन्यदपि व्याकरणपरिकल्पना अस्ति. का सा परिकल्पना? What is that concept? Grammar concept is related to sandhi. What is that? Before going to see that, once we'll read this. See the reading part. See that? Shrutihi aham dinam dinam vidyālayam dinam dinam vidyāyāha ālayam samayam anatikramya gacchāmi anukritihi aham api pratidinam vidyālayam yatha samayam gacchāmi. See the first sentence and second sentence. What they are speaking. In the first sentence we are observing dinam dinam, in second sentence pratidinam. First sentence vidyalayah alayam, we'll get vidyalayam. Samayam anatikramya yatha samayam. We are getting. Okay. Next. Kim tvam janasi yad vasudevasya sutah kah asit. Pashyatu. Janami vasudeva sutah Shri Krishnah asit. See that vasudevasya sutah, downside vasudeva sutah. What is the difference? What is happening here? Next, mahyam pitaha varnaha rojate. For me, yellow color is liking. Sahapi, that Shri Krishna also pitam ambaram dharayati. See, pitam ambaram dharayati. Satyam vadasi, you are telling truth. Sahapi ambaram dharayati sma. Wearing yellow color clothes. Ataha saha pitambara iti namna api prasiddha. See that? Pitam ambaram, one. Pitambaram, another one. Pitambaraha, what is the difference? The same words we are getting over there. What is the difference? Maya patitam yat Krishnaha cha Balaramaha cha Yamunayaha tate kridatasma. Maya api patitam yat Krishna Balaramo Yamuna tate kridatasma. First sentence Krishna cha Balarama cha. Downside Krishna Balarama. Why is this happening? Upari likiteshu samvada vakyeshu shrutihi yani vakyani vadati. Upside which and all sentence given, shruti which and all sentence told, teshu pruthak pruthak santi. That divided words are. Parantu but anukritihi yani vakyani which and all told, teshu vakyeshu समस्तरूपेण अथवा संक्षिप्तरूपेण योजित दर्शितम्. Anukriti Vichana told in that we can observe that shortcut words or added words we can able to see. यथा शब्दानां पृथक् पृथक् लेखनं सः एव विग्रहः. When we can observe separated and wrote words, those words group we called as a vigraha अथवा विग्रह वाक्य. समस्ते रूपेण अथवा संक्षिप्त रूपेण shortcut or added words wherever we are observing सः एव समासः इति कथ्यते. That all we are calling समास. Now इदानीम् अद्य समासस्य विषये किञ्चित् अध्ययनं कुर्मः. स्टडी अबौट् समासः. अस्तु गच्छामः. पश्य इदानीं तत्र दत्तम् अस्ति. किं दत्तम् अस्ति? विद्यायाः आलयः. First we will recall sandhis. Okay, we will recall sandhis. Okay. In a sandhi, we are getting one example like this. Vidya plus alaya. Okay. Okay. विद्यालयः. विद्यालयः. Okay. Okay. विद्यालयः. Just now I read one paragraph or dialogues. In that we got what we got? Vidyayaha alayah. Vidyalayah. We got this. Now, beginning one. Okay, related to sun. Next one related to samas. What is the difference? See there, vidyayah alayah. Vidya plus alayah. Tatra vidyayah shashti vibhakti asti. See there. Yes. Shashti vibhakti asti. Okay. When we see the result, this vibhakti letter won't be there. So we have to remove this vibhakti. Then along with this vidya, we have to do sandhi karya. Vidya plus alayah, vidyalayah. So this is the first stage. This is the second stage. Then we will get the result in samasa. So to do the samasa work properly, first we have to understand shabda rupani and sandhi. So I did shabda rupani and sandhi at the beginning. If you understand shabda rupani and sandhi, definitely it is very easy for you. Just see the meaning of the words. Vidya is there, alaya is there, knowledge is there, place is there. Knowledge place, that we call school, that we call vidyalaya. Okay? Done. So in this way, if you study, definitely it is very easy for you. Now we go forward. Now you start along with your textbook reader. In your reader, get like this. समासः द्वयोः पदयोः अथवा तदधिकपदानां वा अर्थानुगुणं संयोजनं समासः. Two words or more than two words. Yes, artha anugunam along with the meaning, sanyojanam, adding, that we call samasa. If you split, yes, here very important thing is when we add and write, we have to remove vibhakti and some extra letters. Last time I told about that. Krishna cha Balarama cha. Krishna Balarama cha went. Krishna aha went. Krishna Balarama came. Samasaha iti padasya sankshepaha ityartha. Samasa means sankshep, short we are telling. Artha anugunam ekibhutam padam samasta padam. Yes, it should be artha anuguna should be there. Each should be matching, meaning should match. Something sense should be get. Sensible word we have to get. Yes, senseless nonsense words we should not get. Okay, if it is sensible word we are getting, definitely we can do this samasa. Samasta padasya artha vivaranam yena kriyate tat vigraha vakyam iti kathyate. Samasta pada, one big word is there, that once. Yes, which sentence is explaining the meaning of that word, that only called as a vigraha vakya. For example, I will tell kumbhakara, potter. What we say in English? Potter explanation. Who is creating or doing pot? That person called as potter. Yaha kumbham karoti, saha kumbhakara. See, this is samasa. We are explaining that word kumbhakaraha. Which sentence is explaining? That sentence called as vigraha vakya, which is a part of samasa. Understood? Agreed. Deshabhaktaha, deshasya bhaktaha. This country is bhakta, devotee called as deshabhaktaha. Ganga nadi, Ganga iti nadi. Ganga iti nadi. Ganga named one's river. Yes? So Ganga nadi. Samaste pade athava samase sat padam yat padam prathamam uchchayate. Yes, in samasta, in big word is there, no? They, which one? Yes, which word we are pronouncing? Tasya purva padam iti. See, deshasya bhakta, deshasya, that is purva padam. Anantaram uchcharyamanasya padasya. Next, which word we are pronouncing? Uttarapadam iti nama, that is the Uttarapada. Etayoho purvattarayoho artha pradhanyasya adharena. These two words are two words. One word is very important, meaning going to take its sense. For example, Deshabhakta. We are not talking about country, we are talking about Bhakta. So Bhakta is the main word over here. Yes, Uttarapada Pradhana. Second word, Uttarapada is very important. Okay. First word called as a Purapada. Remaining all words called as a Uttarapada. Okay. Next. Pura Uttarapadayoho Artha Pradhanya Adharena Samasa Chaturtha Vibhakta. Four varieties are. Tatpurusha Samasa, Bahuvali Samasa, Dvandva Samasa, Akeva Samasa. Isn't all last year we will study, once again we will recall. Tatpurusha samasa, Hasmin samasa, Uttarapadasya artha pradhanaha. In this, Uttarapada is very important. Atra purvapadena bodhinortaha gauna ityavakantavya. Purvapada, it all we are explaining in Purvapada, it is gauna, it is neglecting. For example, we will see Dasharathasya putraha, Dasharatha. इत्यत्र पुत्रः इति पदस्य दशरथस्य इति पदं पूरकं भवति. That is a पूरकं, that is supporting word for putra. समासेऽस्मिन् पूर्वोत्तरपदे विभिन्न विभक्तिम् आश्रयतः. Both words will get different vibhaktis. पूर्वपदं प्रथमा विभक्तिं विहाय अन्यासु विभक्तिषु विद्यते. पूर्वपद. That पूर्वपद प्रथम विभक्ति कोणता हा तर विभक्ती. उत्तरपदम प्रथमपद विभक्तमेव. उत्तरपद सेकंड वर्ड there in प्रथमा विभक्ति कोण. समासः एषः पूर्वपदस्य विभक्तिम् अनुसरति. अतः विभक्त्यनुसारं प्राधान्यतया सप्तभेदाः. Once again, sub varieties, sub types we are getting here because of first word different vibhakti. First word is getting different vibhakti over here according to me. Yatha, 7 varieties are there. 7 they are mentioning according to vibhakti. Prathama vibhakti means prathama tatpurusha. Dvitiya vibhakti means dvitiya tatpurusha. Tritiya tatpurusha. Chaturthiya tatpurusha. Panchami tatpurusha. Shashti tatpurusha. Saptami tatpurusha. उदाहरणं ददाति पश्यतु. पूर्वं कायस्य पूर्वकाय. देवं श्रितः देवश्रितः. गुडेन मिश्रः गुडमिश्रः. गुरवे दक्षिणा गुरुदक्षिणा. चोराभयं चोरभयं. कण्ठस्य वर्णं कण्ठावर्णं. वनेवासः वनवासः. In forest they are living. That person called as vanavasa. That situation called as vanavasa. Na dharmah adharmah na uttara anuttara. Now you can observe here. Na dharmah adharmah na satyah asatyah. Na uttara na anuttara. Why it is happening like this? We'll see. Okay. Okay. Na uttara anuttara. Okay. Now here very important thing is this. Second word starting letter is swara letter uttara. That time actually see na satyam asatyam will come. See this na will go, a will come. Okay. Now here when swara letter is there, second word starting letter, that time a will come beginning, na will become half, this u will come and join here, we'll get nu will get, a will come here, then tara will come, anuttara. Na upasthitaha will get anupasthitaha will get anupasthitaha. Okay. Yes, anupasthitaha will get. Then what will get? One more will take. Na ritam. What will get? Anrutam will get. Okay, like this we are going to get all these things. Okay, now we'll go for the next one. Okay, so this one. So okay, now that very important thing is na uttara anuttara we have to remember. Now we move forward. That is नान्यतत्पुरुषः न धर्मः अधर्मः न इच्छा अनिच्छा उत्तरपदं यदि स्वरादि भवति तर्हि युडागमः भवति half na letter is going to come. Okay, एषः तत्पुरुषस्यैव अन्यः भेदः. This is also तत्पुरुषः is only one variety. Non तत्पुरुषः. One more is Erupavada Tatpurusha. So many. We get next class and all we get. Next we'll go Dvandva Samasa. What is the meaning of Dvandva Samasa? Just now we observed in the beginning. Krishna Hacha Balarama Hacha Krishna Balaramau. Same comes here. Purvottara Padarthayoho Samana Pradhanyam Chet. If Purapada and Uttarapada both are equal, both are important, at that moment we have to use Dvandva Samasa. Yatha Balarama Krishna, how we tell Balarama Krishna, Balarama and Krishna, Balarama Krishna. Itaretara Dvandva Samahara Dvandvascheti Samasava Yesha. Once again, subtitle we are getting. Itaretara Dvandva and Samahara Dvandva. Ramascha Lakshmanascha, that is Itaretara Dvandva. Yes, Pratyekasyapi Padarthasya Pradhanata Vartate Samastapadasya Linga Vigraha Vakya. What is going to happen? Vakye Vidyamanasya Antima Padasya Lingameva Bhavati Samastapadasya Vachanam tu Tatra Sanyuktanam Padanam Sankhyam Avalambate. Yes, how many members are there? According to that, we get Vivachana, Bahuvachana and all here after adding two words or many words over here. Okay, next week. Atrodahane Samasa Ghatakatpade Dve iti Vivachanam Lakshmana iti Padam Pullingam iti Samastapadasya Lingam api Pullingam, which is last word. That word which linga is there, that linga only going to come for one big word. Okay, see that. Udaharana. Vapi cha kupascha tatakancha. Vapi kupa tatakani. Tatakam napumsakalinga is there. So tatakani. Pustakam pustakani. Taruscha latacha. Lata strilinga is there. Taru and lata two are there. Vivachana will come. Rama Rame Ramaha Rame. Taru late. Vivachana will come. Rama Lakshmana Bharata Shatrugnaha. Ramascha Lakshmanascha Bharatascha Shatrugnaschakti. Yes, Rama Lakshmana Bharata Shatrugnaha Bhavachana. So when we see Rama Lakshmana Bharata Shatrugnaha, what we think? Shatrugna, so many Shatrugnas are there. Not like that. Rama Lakshmana Bharata Shatrugna ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. Rama Lakshmana Bharata Shatrugnas are coming. That are say whole. All four members are coming, isn't it? Mata Pitarau. Mata cha Pita cha. Samahara Dvandve Samuhasyaiva Pradhanyam. Samahara Dvandva, whole group is important, not individual. Okay, that only we are getting once again here. Now see that. Now we are talking about those are there in one. Kaurava Pandavam. See, flowers are there. When we make it a bunch, we'll tell one flower bunch. Actually, so many flowers are. A flower bunch. Yes, he buy. He will buy a flower bunch. Same way here also. Kauravasya, Pandavasya, Etesham Samahara. That is a bunch. Togetherness, unity. At that moment, when we tell that flower bunch singular, same way here also singular. Kaurava Pandavam. Always Napumsakalinga. Yes? रथिकाश्वरोहम रथिकाश्च अश्वरोहिणश्च एतेषां समाहारः रथिकाश्वरोहम पाणिपादं पाणी च पादौ च एतेषां समाहारः पाणि hand pada leg that is together it is said. So we are telling samahara together we are observing पाणिपादं समाहार द्वंद्वे समस्त पदम सर्वत्र नपुंसकलिंगे प्रथमा विभक्तौ एकवचने एव भवति in samahar in this always word should be there in napumsakalika if it is strilinga also it will convert it to napumsakalika yes then prathama vibhakti ekavachana form only going to come there is no other form go forward bahurvi samas what is going to happen bahurvi samasah will get anya padartha pradhano bahurvihi now see that which and all words are there in question or in that example those words are not important some other person or some other things are important they are talking about other person other thing that's why bahurvi samasa just now I told kumbhakaraha yaha kumbham karoti see yaha kumbham karoti yaha kumbham karoti three words we are not talking about yaha we are not talking about kumbha pot we are not talking karoti doing we are not talking about that we are talking about someone else who is doing that we are talking about that person isn't it that time we are going to call bahurvi samasa understand अन्य पदार्थ प्रधानो बहुर्वीः यथा पीताम्बरः पीतम् अम्बरं यस्य सः इति अस्मिन् पीतं पूर्वपदस्य वा अम्बरम् उत्तरपदस्य वा अर्थस्य प्राधान्यं न वर्तते परं समस्तपदं पीताम्बरः सिद्धति in vigraha vakya पीतं अम्बरं in shortcut or in samasthapada पीताम्बरः why because and saha is there yasya saha we are talking about that person male person if female person is there pitambari or pitambara we are strilinga isn't it okay so krishna iti anyartham sute pitambara word say about krishna so is bahurvi samasa evam samastapadam anyasya padasya visheshanam bhavati yes sometimes it is used as a adjective also in sentence samanadhikarana bahurvihi vyadhikarana bahurvi once again here we are getting two varieties two types bahurvi dvividha samasa antargatanam purvottarapadaanam vibhakti samana chet if yes in that vigraha vakya so many words are there if all the words end letter that means all the vibhaktis are same means समानाधिकरण बहुर्वी यथा पीताम्बरः पीतम अम्बरम both ends with prathama ekavachana napumsakalinga everything same we are talking about adjective and noun at that moment only this is happening same vibhakti same vachana same linga everything same now see that next समास अंतर्गतानां पदानां विभक्तयः अर्थानुसारं भिन्नाः चेत् व्यधिकरणं भिन्न डिफरेंट सी दैट चत्वारि मुखानि यस्य सः चतुर्मुखः ब्रह्म तपः एव धनं यस्य सः तपोधनः ऋषिः कोदण्डः बाणौ यस्य सः सी दैट बाणौ in hand kodanda that bow which person has see पाणौ सप्तमी विभक्ति कोदंड है एक प्रथमा विभक्ति different vibhaktis but both words say something about one particular one person only one person not kodanda is telling some other person panu telling some other person that is not it both words tell something about one person but vibhakti is different because of the meaning kodanda pani ramah वीणा पाणौ यस्याः सा in hand which person is holding veena pani saraswati like this yeah getting very, very nice input about Sanskrit language. Samasa is very, very important to understand Sanskrit literature. Okay? Yes? Okay. Now see. Samasa, once again we'll recall. Samasanam, samasaha, sankshepaha, ityarthaha. समासे कृते पूर्वोत्तरपदयोः विभक्ति लोपः भवति. Vibhakti is going to disappear. Sometime extra letter also going to disappear. समासस्य अर्थं बोधयितुं यत् वाक्यम् उच्यते तत् विग्रहः इति अभिधीयते. प्रधानतया चत्वारः भेदाः समासस्य सन्ति. तत्पुरुषसमासः प्रायः उत्तरपदार्थप्रधानः, तदशतस्य पुत्रः दशरथपुत्रः. द्वन्द्वसमासः प्रायः उभयपदप्रधानः, हरिः च हरः च हरिहरौ. अव्ययीभावसमासः, in our reader book it is not there. नगरस्य समीपम् उपनगरं. बहुव्रीहि समासः we studied. It is प्रायः अन्यपदार्थप्रधानः. त्रीणि लोचनानि यस्य सः त्रिलोचनः. Isn't it? Okay. So like this, once again we will recall. See that परस्पर अन्यतयोः नामपदयोः एव समासः भवति. Yes, correlated words, if it is come together at that come to correlated noun words, not other words, noun words coming together at that time only samasa will happen. Artham anusrutya samasah bhinnah. According to meaning, samasa going to change. Yes, rules going to change. So many things will happen. Vrityartha avabodhakam vakyam vigraha. That one shortcut word, one single word. Yes, artha bodhaka, explaining the meaning of that word. Yes, explaining that in a sentence form that we call vigraha. Krit taddita samasa ekasheshaha sanadyanta vruttayah pancha. Yes. अतः यत्र यत्र विग्रहवाक्यं तत्र तत्र समासः इति न. Okay, there and all we observe that vigrahavakkya, there and all compulsory should do samasa, like it is not there. It is not compulsory. But if you do the samasa and if you tell, that is save your time, save your energy. For that sake, samasa came. Yes, in olden days, those people are believing that learning is more. Our whole life is not enough to study, which all are there in this world. They want to study more. Yes, they are not restricted their mind for one field. For example, nowadays, so many students are going for medical field, engineering field. They are not fixed. They are not restricted themselves. They study everything by using all these shortcuts. Yes. Okay. We go next. Ekasheshaha samasah na. Yes. We get to see. Sometimes we can able to observe that two words are there. Yes. Two words are there. We will make it one word. But that one word, once again we will get the one word, we will see the examples. Sopi panchamurtishu anyatama. See that. Mata cha pitarau. See. Actually two words are there, mata, pita. We have to tell mata, pitarau, but they are using pitarau. One word itself says mother and father. This we call ekashesha. Make it one. How will you get to know that is mother and father? Because Pitarau, Dvivachana is there. By seeing Dvivachana, we have to understand it is mother and father. Hamsascha, Hamsicha, Hamsau. Male Hamsa, female Hamsa. Together it is Hamsau. Evam Strilinga Padena Saha Uktam Pullingamadam Ubhayu Dyotakam Bhavati. So, if you tell in Pullinga form, you have to tell. See. Pitarau, Hamsau, Pullinga form only you have to take. That time, male female comes together. Pullinga padameva shishyate. Pullinga word only going to remain in ekashesha samasa. Okay? Yatra sankhyavatika purvapadam bhavati tatra sarvatra dvigu samasa. It is not there for it. We go next. Samahara dvandva sarvatra bhavati. घटपटौ घटपटं केषुचित् स्थलेषु समाहारः एव उक्तः न तु इतरेतरद्वन्द्वः. See, in Dvandva Samasa we got to Itaretara Dvandva and Samahara. Some places Itaretara Dvandva is prohibited, not able to use. Okay? Dvandvascha pranitu yassenanganam anuvade charananam ityadi sutrai. Of these, they are talking about the Dvandva Samasa. If we know about the Panini, he wrote grammar. Yes? Next chapter, that is Amarakosha Sangraha. What is the meaning of Amarakosha? There is one person called as Amarasingha. He wrote this book, Amarakosha. That is one book name. Okay? In that book, what is there? That book, he collected same meaning words. Okay? Same meaning words. Synonyms. Yes? Here, examples given. See. Saravyayam swarganakatridivadvishalaya suralokadyo divodve striyam klive trivishtapam. In these two lines, which all words are there, those word meaning is Swarga or heaven. Amara nirjara devaha tridasha vibudhasuraha suparvanaha sumanasa stridesha vihogasah. In these two lines, which all words are there, that is called as Devatagini words, same meaning words. Asura daitya daiteyaddanujendrari danavaha Shukrashishyaditasitu itasitu sitaha purvarevasuradvisha. Here which and all words comes the Rakshasa, demons. Brahmatma bhuh surajeshthah parameshthe pitamaha Hiranyagarbho lokeshah swayam bhushchaturananah. What they are telling? All words tell something about Brahma. Vishnur Narayana Krishna Vaikuntho Vishtarashrava Damodaro Rishikesho Keshavo Madhavasvati. All the words talking about Vishnu or Vishnu. Lakshmi Lakshmi Padmalaya Padma Kamala Shrir Haripriya Indira Lokamata Mangala Devata. All words are telling about Goddess Lakshmi. Shambhurishaha, Shambhu Ishaha, we have divided. Pashupatihi, Shivaha Shuli Maheshwaraha, Ishwaraha Shaiva Ishanaha, Shankaraha, Chandrasekharaha. All words telling about Shiva. Uma Katyayani Gauri Kali Haimavati Ishwari Shiva Bhavani Rudrani Sarvani Sarvamangala. All were telling something about Gauri. Vinayako Vignaraja Dvaimatura Ganadhipa. See, Dvaimatura. Two mother. Ganesha hai. Parvati and Lakshmi also. Apyekadanta Heramba Lambodara Gajanana. These words tell something about Ganesh. Why we are getting like this different words for one person or one thing? because of their character, isn't it? Hmm? Okay. So like this, so many are there in your reader, in your textbook. Just go through all the words, vision 1, 37, 38, 39, 40. Yes, go through that. Definitely very, very useful for you. Yes, related to this, you will get one small worksheet. Okay, प्रपत्रं मिलति सम्यक् रीत्या पठित्वा समीचीन उत्तरं लिखित्वा प्रेषयन्तु सर्वेभ्यः धन्यवादः।